Allow this moment to settle. Don't reach for it. Simply let the weight of your own arrival wash over you. You are here. You aren't just approaching a goal. You have stepped into the unshakable sanctuary of your own completed perfection. Take a slow, luxury breath. A breath of recognition. Feel your lungs fill with the truth that the long journey of becoming is over. Everything you once reached for is now resting securely in your hands. You have moved past the old illusions of effort and distance. You have stepped behind the curtain of your life and found the steady, luminous center. You are the master. You are the always present awareness, and the physical world is simply the mirror reflecting your presence. Because you are awake to this, the universe is responding with a celebration. It is clearing the path, smoothing the way, and speaking to you through every lucky timing and every unexpected gift. You chose yourself. You recognized your own value, and now the seamless reality is reflecting that royal decision back to you in 1,000 different ways. Notice the space that opens in your mind when you stop trying. Notice the smile that comes when you realize the heavy lifting is finished. You've laid down the armor. You've accepted that your natural existence is one of continuous ease. You understand now that there is no distance between your quietest assumption and the world around you. They are one unbroken tapestry, and you are the weaver. This is the natural state. It is your baseline. Here, abundance is as common as the air you breathe. Love is the very ground you stand on. Financial freedom, harmony, and joy are not things you build. They are the scenery of your daily life. You don't have to calculate their arrival. You simply take your seat and the world organizes itself to serve you. Feel that certainty in your chest. It is a warm, permanent confidence. It is the cellular knowledge that the game is already mastered. The script of your success is written. The masterpiece is dry. You are simply enjoying the reveal. Your consciousness is the law. Every quiet assumption of victory is registered by the unified field. This field is your partner. It moves the atoms, shifts the circumstances, and aligns the right people to match your light. It does this effortlessly because your joy is the priority of reality. If you feel this truth today, let this moment be your anchor. Declare your presence. Subscribe to this frequency of receiving. Like this transmission as a celebration of your alignment. Join this community of creators who have realized they are the quiet rulers of their own experience. Every time you return here, you are saying yes to your own perfection. Now let this peace expand into your physical form. Feel how safe your body is. You are held by the same energy that moves the galaxies. Your physical form is a perfectly tuned receiver for the wealth of the unified field. Right now, every cell is vibrating with the frequency of having it all. You are free from the pressure of when. You have collapsed time. You know that the feeling of your desire is available right now, and the moment you claim it in your always present awareness, it is an established fact. It is already making its way to your senses. Imagine the luxury of living from this vantage point. You wake up with a relaxed excitement, knowing the day is designed to delight you. You walk into every room with the authority of a creator who knows their worth. People feel it. They are magnetically drawn to your light. They treat you with respect because they are reflecting the royalty you hold within yourself. They are all messengers, saying, yes, you are exactly who you know yourself to be. Receive their words with a nod. Of course is your new standard. Of course the wealth flows. Of course your relationships are harmonious. It could not be any other way. The seamless reality is devoted to your comfort. It has infinite creativity to ensure you are perpetually satisfied. Relax. You are secure. Everything is handled today. Everything is arranged for tomorrow. The machinery of reality is turning perfectly to bring a smile to your face. You are a master of receiving. The floodgates are open. The river of abundance is rushing in, a river of light and potential. You are floating on its surface, being carried toward your highest timeline. Take one more deep breath of this truth. Let it clear away the last shadows of the old way of thinking. You are renewed. You are standing in the clear sunlight of your own perfection. Your default is paradise. When you look at the horizon, you don't see a journey yet to be finished. You see your own estate, entirely yours to explore. Everything yields to you. Every door opens at your approach. Because you are the center. Everything is easy. Everything is aligned. You have done beautifully. You have claimed the natural state as your home. The relief of being here is yours to savor forever. You are walking in the light of your own making. You are victorious. Anchor this truth now. Let the universe hear your declaration. Comment below. I am the breathtaking majesty of my completed journey. And so it is. And so you are. Resting in the light of your own seamless creation.